right as you can see, we've already put in our figures. That's the first thing you want to do. So you can put in your figures, and the next thing you want to do is create the titles for all of your figures. So let's do that now. Now that we put in all of our figure headings, now you want to select all of them. So you can either select them each one, or you can do the easy way and hit Control on your keyboard and select all three at the same time. Now, the issue is that you want to make sure that you don't want to select your pictures and your headings. You just want to select only the headings. After you do that, then you want to select from the Styles bar what type of heading style or title that your figures want to have. Now you can either select one of these or click this drop down arrow, and we're actually going to show you how to create your own style for your figure headings. So click Create a Style, and then you're going to want to name your style. So we're just going to name it Figures. After that, you're going to click Modify, and then in here you can actually modify the type of font and styles and alignment, and if you want to make it bold or underline, whatever way you want to format your font, you can do it in here. So what we're going to do is going to put it as Arial 12 bold. So, and then we're just going to make it left aligned like usual. So after you're done that, you want to make sure that it has Add to Styles Gallery and only in this document selected. After that is selected, you click OK. Then you can see that in the Styles heading, your new style figures is actually there, and it's applied to all three of your headings. Now that the titles of your figures have been formatted, place the cursor where you want your list of figures to be in your document. After you have placed your cursor, click the References tab at the top of the page. Then we are going to select Insert Table of Figures. In this pop-up box, it shows you what your list of figures will look like. But before we do that, we have to make sure that Word 2013 recognizes the title of your figures. To do that, we must select Options, and then in this drop-down menu, you want to select the style that you use for your headings. If you do not select the style for your headings, it will not recognize your actual title headings, so it will come up as No Headings Found. So select the style heading that you use and make sure that the style box is checked off. Then click OK. After this, you also can click Modify. This will modify the actual list of figures that you create. Now, you can see that ours is Times New Roman 12-point font. That's what we want to use. So we're not going to change anything in here. But if you did, you can select Modify and select the other options that you wanted. So we're going to click OK, and then we're going to click OK again. So we're clicking OK. As you can see, your list of figures has been created where your cursor was. So now you have officially created a list of figures in Word 2013. Thank you.